Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. It's difficult to vacate a conviction. Anyone who tells you differently either hasn't done it or doesn't know what they're doing. It's always difficult, just like an appeal is difficult. The real issue is, what do you want to do in the future? Meaning, you've probably been deported, you probably have an aggravated felony, because if you didn't have an aggravated felony, chances are there'd be an immigration waiver that would be available to you. And the law says you're never coming back to the U.S. ever for the rest of your life. It's not 10 years, it's not 20 years. As an aggravated felon, it's the rest of your life. So, while yes, it is difficult to get a conviction vacated, and sometimes if it's denied, which, of course that happens, then you need to either do a motion to reopen or appeal. And sometimes if the appeal is denied, you need to do another appeal to have a real chance at winning. You have to ask yourself, do you want to give it to an expert immigration attorney to attempt in the best way that they can to try to vacate or reduce the conviction? Sometimes it doesn't require a complete vacation. Sometimes it only requires it to be reduced so that you're not considered an aggravated felon. And if you're willing to take that chance, then by all means you should do it, unless you don't mind staying where you're staying the rest of your life. It's necessary to fight that uphill battle, which a lot of immigration is, in order to have a success and in order to go forward. You have a crime, which apparently is a pretty bad crime, and you want to try to get back to the U.S., and trying to vacate the conviction is one of the few ways to do it. But it has to be done right, and you can't expect, for example, some lawyer to say, I guarantee you it will be approved, or you can't expect to retain an attorney and say, I'll give you your money after it's vacated. It doesn't work like that, okay? You have to roll the dice with an expert, let them do their best shot, and see if you can get it vacated, and that's the way to go. Okay.